Hi guys and welcome to this new episode. Today we are going to quickly look into the CAT Telegram project. We can't really call this a game, to be honest. It's quite similar to what Dog did when they had their own project as well. But before we dive deep into this, guys, if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe right now. We're trying to hit the 10,000 mark. So subscribe. And we have a lot of videos for you to go through. We have many projects that we've reviewed that you will love to see. Now, without further ado, let's dive into it. So, CAT has the mini Telegram app, and it's quite interesting what they have here. As you can see, we have about 10,000 CAT mined already, and what you need to do is quite simple. You need to log in on your CAT app on Telegram every day, and then go through a few tasks that they have here. If you do each of those tasks, you have about a few points added to your CAT points at the end of that task. They have different numbers of points for different tasks, and I've done quite a number of those tasks, to be honest. Some are 300 points, some are 150 points, some are 100 points. Just various tasks that you have to do. Those tasks majority of them have to do with joining a particular Telegram channel, joining another Telegram game, and then they just added these videos, which I have been trying to actually do, but each time I watch their videos on YouTube, I try to put their code because if you click on this, you have a question that you need to answer, like a code that you need to input to be able to claim these 500 points. I think this is what majority of these mini Telegram apps have been doing. I know some other projects as well that are doing that. I'll do a review on Hot Wallet very soon, so guys, be logged in. We already have a video on Hot Wallet, but I want to do a review and show you some tricks here and there for you to increase your odds. So that will be coming very soon. So let's get back to what we're actually discussing about. So they have this system they all use now that they will put a code in between a YouTube video that you have to be patient enough to check that code, and then you enter the code to ensure that you actually watch that video. Why that is cool, and the reason why they are doing that is to ensure that people are watching the video, and because majority of the community members will just go into the comment section, get the code, come here, input the code, and then they are off. Like we normally say, you know. Okay, let me not go there. Anyways, interesting, right? So yeah, that's what they have been doing. So for cats, what they did was they switched off the comment section on their YouTube channel so that you will be forced to watch the video. But at the end of the day, I watched the video, but I got the code. I input the code here, but many a times I would get a feedback of uh, I will not be able to input the code actually here to check the answer if I'm right or wrong. Let's try this and let's see if I am correct or not. Anyway, here we go.
If you think that you can only make money on cryptocurrency market when it's rising, you are wrong. All experienced traders know one secret tool, thanks to which they can earn even when cryptocurrency are falling. But what is this magic tool? In this video, I will tell you how you can earn thousands or even tens of thousands.
Okay, guys, this is a 4-minute video, and
I am not going to be watching the 4 minute video so that this video won't be much longer than I planned it to be. So the first code here, as you can see, A. Let's note the A. Then I will skip through a bit to see the other This is I. Then let's go. This is R. See, I have an R here. Okay, let's go. I'm just skimming through the video, okay, just so that okay, I'm trying to skim through the video. I'll and okay, we have O, we have O. I think that's all. Is that all? I'm not sure, to be honest. Let's check again. O. Okay, I have another B here. B. Is that all? I have another E. That should be all because this makes sense now. Okay, this makes sense now. Okay, so they have a node as their code. So let's try it. A node. Okay. Oh, this has been happening. Their app has actually been crashing for a while now. I don't know why that's the case, but I'm going to reload this. Okay, this is taking longer than expected. Right. So here's the task. Okay, so now you see, I'm trying to enter the code. I'm clicking this box so that I can actually enter the code. But unfortunately, I am not able to click on this particular box because it's supposed to give me an option to type into that box, right? But I can't do that, and that has been the case for many of their videos that I've watched. And after watching it, I'm trying to input the code, but I'm unable to input the code. So that is the problem that I've been facing with this. This might be a little bug or something. I don't know. Let's load this again. Okay, so it's taking time. Okay, so here we go. This is the problem I've been having, and this is not the reception problem. It's not a reception problem, honestly. It's not a reception problem. I'll come back to that. But on this same page, they have some other features. They have the leadership feature, where you can see all the top 100, right? The top 101. You see, always crashing, always crashing. You can see the top 101. They have a page for friends where you can see the people you are referring. I actually referred a lot of people on cards, but after a while, all my referrals disappeared. I don't know why that is as well, but that is the state of their mini Telegram app. Then they have this avatar, which I think they are trying to sell NFTs to their communities. And if you click on these, it will ask you to subscribe to be an OG for 1 ton. Well, what are you getting for that OG pass? You'll be able to double your score. You're supposed to get a 2+ AI attempts. I don't know what that is. You get 2 additional AI attempts to earn more points and achieve the best outcomes. Okay, 100% TGE unlock. Okay, that means you get access to all the tokens given to you, right? Okay, access to streams coming soon. Access to unique items. 2 times access to unique items. Okay, is it worth it? I am not sure. I don't think they should be doing this now. Actually, that's my view of it. Okay, that's my view of it. Now coming to the airdrop. So I've already selected my exchange for this. I don't know why it's not loading that. But on the first fire, I was told that I am not eligible for the airdrop. So I did a task. I did this make ton great again task, which cost me about 0.2 ton. That's about a dollar or so, or not up to a dollar whatsoever. But that's what I did. And after that, I was eligible to get their airdrop. You see, now it's showing that you are eligible. That means I am eligible to get the airdrop. And the airdrop, the amount of token that will be assigned to me is still being loaded right now. I don't know why that is taking so long anyways. So, and this has been the complaint of majority of the community members. First, I don't know why their app is getting crashed every time. They should be prepared for this. They have millions of users and community members. They should be actually ready for traffic on their platform. And then this particular problem again. Okay, now we can actually I can click these now because I have not actually clicked that watch video button. If I had clicked that watch video button, I might add problem actually clicking into that enter the answer box. But let's try it again. Here note. Check answer. You see, the answer is wrong. Whereas you've watched the video with me, and you can see that this is the same video as you can see. But told that my answer is wrong. Okay, so let me know what you think about CAT project, the CAT made Telegram mini app in the comment section. Let me know the problem you are facing. Let us know if you think this is going to be worth it. Let us know if you've also paid for the OG pass and your experience with this project. I can't really place it. I don't know how much it's going to be worth. I can't place it. But well, if it goes by the way they've gone about the project, like dogs as well, who knows? This might actually cook, like we popularly say. So, is it going to cook? Is it not going to cook? Well, the jury is still out on it. So that's that about cats, guys. That's that about this project. Again, like this video, smash the subscribe button. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers, so you guys can support this channel by subscribing to our channel and then having access to a whole lot of the videos that we have on the channel. It will be really good. You can check the description below. You see a lot of links of the projects I'm currently involved with. We'll also get the link to our Telegram channel. You guys join the Telegram channel, invite your friends. Let's bring ourselves together. It's the first place I go whenever I see a project. I drop the link there. I drop my ideas there as well. So guys, come into the community. Let's engage. Do follow me on Twitter, formerly on X, formerly known as Twitter as well. Sorry about that. I'm always mixing that. Yeah, let's engage. Let's get to talk about what's happening in the space. So that's that about this. Big up yourself, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next episode.